Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, and it is I am Mario100. I just love doing that. Okay. Yeah, in the last video we named our boy, and his name is now Greg. And we're gonna be heading to that bird, which we apparently went the wrong way when we were trying to go. But at least we got to a staple, so it's worth it. Already a shrine nearby. It's great. I have lost my... Well, I don't mean lost, but I can't seem to find the remote that I have been using to change the volume. But I think it's fine. And I hope there's no times that I have to change the volume. So, why did I jump off? We're getting closer to the bird. But we need to go... Oh, there's more of these guys. We are heading towards... I think that pillar over there? There's a... I see a shrine. So, okay, I don't really have much to talk about. Like, usually if I had nothing to talk about in the game, I would, like, probably say something that I'm currently doing with the channel or something like that. Or just anything, I think. I don't know, I can't even think about anything right now. I honestly don't remember this place at all in this game. This doesn't look any bit familiar to me. And I literally just got, like, all the shrines. So I've been to a lot of places, but this doesn't look familiar. There's some familiarness over there. Familiarness. How are we gonna get to that? Oh, now I know where we are. Okay. How am I gonna get down? That's how. Yes. Are we stuck? Just gotta maneuver. We're heading down, we're heading down. We're fine, we're fine. Yes, we're fine. Calm down a bit. Okay. Where am I going? We're going this way, to the shrine that I saw. Whoop. Is that another shrine? I think I found a second shrine. Okay. Cool. More shrines. Oh, and another staple, okay. Stay here. Oh, sorry. I can't attack that, okay. It just attacked the child. Is that a fox? No, come back. Frick. Let's see what this shrine is. And here we are. This one. Oh, this one. I don't remember what to do for this one. Uh-oh. Was I supposed to... I'm not exactly sure what I'm supposed to do. Oh, okay. I see. Is that what I had to do? What? That sucks. What am I doing? What am I supposed to do? Do I hit it with more than just one arrow? Because that would make more sense, but... Yes! It was worth it. Whee! Just ascends. Oh, wait. I lost a lot of arrows. Ah, gosh darn it. Sup? Your resourcefulness is overcoming this trial speaks to the hero or the... Why am I reading that? Why am I reading that? Stop. Stop me. Stop me. Stop me. Stop. Stop me. Stop me. Me. Stop me. Stop. Just dying. The joys of rain. Some animals love playing in rain. Certain plants only bloom during rainstorms. Keep an eye out for them. Cool. Galloping. Now we're going to over there. I'm not sure if I want to. Yeah, I'm gonna bring Brooke. Why am I thinking about this? Why am I thinking of leaving Greg? I would never, never ever in my life would I ever leave Greg. Greg is my only horse, and I won't leave him just to do a shrine. Oh god, there's Flying Guardian. You know what, I'm gonna take a picture of this. I might need it for later. Depends. I don't know, we might just take that picture for no reason. I'm gonna leave Greg for just a bit. I'll get him later. And then we'll go the other way and not go towards the Guardians. Why? Cool. This is cool. I like climbing for 12 hours. Greg's still down there, right? There he is. Okay, yeah, there must be another way. I don't think we're gonna get that. Trying. Let's go, Greg. Let's not die, please. I'm gonna guess that this is... Oh. I don't want to die. What are you doing? Oh, okay. One sec. Raw prime meat. Let's go. Stop. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that shrine. Oh my gosh. There's the burb. We need to get the burb. What is this? It's a crater. Yeah, okay. Wait, what? Oh god. It's a rock. Get out of here. I need to get Greg out of here fast as possible. Okay, where? It's like right there. Okay. There's the pillar. There's also a shrine there. What the? Oh god, I don't want that. This right here. That, I spent a lot of time on that in my main game. Let's just get out of here. I don't want that. I see a staple. Stable. I don't really know if I want to bring. Now I'm gonna leave Greg at the stable. I'll get him once I'm done with the burb. Stop. No, stop. Slow down a bit. It wouldn't let me slow down. Okay. No, not take horse. I already have my horse. Water. Your horse is in our care. Anything else? No, I'm good. Let's get to stone. Okay, there's that, but there's also a gust of wind. And there's also another shrine. There's so many shrines. There's 120 shrines in this game. And that should tell you why I'm not going to be 100%ing this game for a series. Because I don't feel like having. Oh god. Release burb. Beard. Okay. Yeah, but I'm definitely not doing. I'm definitely not doing like. I'm not doing 120 shrines as a let's play. I wouldn't do that. Well, maybe one day, just not this day, and not this series. If one day I make another series and I do it, that's a future me probably thing. So don't quote me. Frick. Trident. Okay. I don't even know what I have in this, honestly. Bird. Welcome to Bird Place. Place of bird. Bird species. And child bird. No, I will not hit child bird. And here's the shrine. What is going on here? She looks upset. Whatever. We'll go into the shrine next video. Something something. Check out Discord. Something something. See you all next time. Bye.